Hello friends! Are you unable to send emails on your Mac system using the Mail app? Here are the steps to resolve the issue. Click on the Go menu and then select Applications. Double-click on Mail icon to open it. From the Mail menu, select Preferences. Click Accounts and from the list, select your .Mac or IMAP account. Here we are using IMAP account. Open the drop-down next to Outgoing Mail Server and select Edit SMTP Server List. Click on the Advanced tab and in the Password field, enter your .Mac or IMAP password over the existing password. Click OK and close the Preferences window. Now you can try to send a test email message to check that the issue is resolved. Hope this was easy to follow. Thanks for watching.